Hi guys, let's jump right into today's video. So today I'm going to be making some shrimp fried rice, and this is shrimp fried rice my way. A lot of people do their fried rice very differently. We're going to start off with some washed jasmine rice, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and toast up the rice, get it nice and toasty. And you want to fry this up for a good little minute before you start adding your seasonings. Now to my rice, I'm going to go ahead and add some garlic powder, onion powder. We're also going to add black pepper, Chinese 5-spice seasoning, ginger powder, and then we're going to mix all this up. Now, someone left me a comment and said, oh, my videos are too long on YouTube. Guys, you can't please everybody. I'm not trying to do that. If you want the shorter versions of these videos, go ahead and follow me on TikTok under the same hashtag, Cooking with Debs. Now, you want to go ahead and add some green seasoning to this, and this is not how everyone makes their fried rice, guys. As you can see on my channel, and I'll leave some links in the description below, I have several recipes on here on how to make fried rice, so you can pick and choose which one you want to use. This one right here is just a recipe for my shrimp fried rice, and over the years I've been crafting my fried rice, guys, and it's bomb. Like, this way is so bomb. So after adding my seasoning, soy sauce, oyster sauce, I added some water, and I'll let the rice cook. Once that is done, you want to go ahead and cut up the vegetables that you're going to be using. I'm using peas and carrots because I can't find no borer up here, and I just cut it up some scallion. And you're just going to go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to wash my shrimp, guys, and pretty much season this very basic, or with majority of the seasonings that you did use. So I added some sesame oil, ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper, and I'm just going to go ahead and set that aside and let that go until it's time for us to mix everything together. Look upon rice, guys. The rice is finished, nice and shelly. So what I do at this point, I go ahead and pop this into my freezer, because typically fried rice is better with day-old rice, but since we're doing this today, I'm just going to go ahead and pop that into my freezer so it can chill out, and it'll help to absorb any other kind of moisture that is left in it. So pop that into the freezer for a little while. All right, so now we have our rice chilling, so we're going to go ahead and add some oil back into our pan that we took the rice out of, and you're just going to go ahead and sear off your shrimp. Now you're just going to put your shrimp in here, guys, for literally about a minute, 50 seconds on both sides, because you don't want your shrimp to be fully cooked, because once you're done here, you're still adding it into the rice, so you don't want it to be overcooked. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and fry up your vegetables. I'm using frozen peas and carrots, but you can use borer if you have it. You can also use corn. I personally don't like corn like that, so I typically don't add it. And I'm not adding any chopped onions or garlic because I blended that up. I forgot to say that. I did blend up the onions and garlic, and I added it into the white rice in the beginning when I was frying it up. So I don't like the bits of onions in my fried rice. So anyways, you're going to go ahead and add your rice back into the pan, and you want to mix and incorporate everything. All right, let's go ahead and finish this up now. So once your rice is incorporated with your vegetable, you see, guys, that's looking so delicious. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in some sesame oil. I'll be adding a little bit more of the seasonings that I added in the beginning. So I'm doing the Chinese 5-spice seasoning that we had, a little bit more of the oyster sauce, some ginger powder, and I did add a tablespoon of sugar to this. And don't knock it till you try it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys add sugar to your fried rice. All right, so we're pretty much already finished here. So the last finishing touch, like I said, I added a tablespoon of sugar, and I did go ahead and add some chicken bouillon or chicken cubes. Also, FYI, guys, I don't know if some of you know, I'm pretty sure you do know, but for those people who say, oh, you cook with MSG, you don't cook with MSG, guys, chicken bouillon, accent seasoning, all these flavor enhancers that America has under these names and these fancy things that we're like, oh, I like using that, but it is what it is. That's MSG. They all have MSG. Chicken bouillon is MSG, okay? Anyway, so we went ahead and added our shrimp. back into our rice, guys, and we're gonna toss it up for not a few seconds. That's gonna continue to cook the shrimp. And then I just went ahead and added my green onions to that, and this is it, guys, my shrimp fried rice. It's pretty quick, pretty simple, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Again, if you want to see the shorter version of this for all of you, who preferred a 1-minute version, go ahead and follow me on TikTok under Cooking with Debs. Over there you can see my entire lifestyle, my kids, myself, and more in depth about my day-to-day life for those of you who say I'm not on camera and who prefer a 1-minute version. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and until next time, as always, peace, love, and unity. Bye.